going on here, Henry? Yeah. Oh my. That is a big fish. That's a big, big fish.
Yes.
Well done, son. Look at that thing, Andrew.
That's 30 pounds.
I don't want to be in it. Yeah. Okay, is it as long as Henry? Henry, try to pull his belly up a bit. Pull him up. Come on, Henry.
This is 26.8.
Catches a monster.
26-pound lake trout.
26 pounds.
Good? I can get this thing back in.
Yeah, get him back in. Alright, you win, Henry. Okay, I'd like to interview the star here. How did that happen, Henry?